Now we continue the section of the 3D objects in city category. We reach the flag. Okay. I place one of these flags on this wall. As you can see, the flag has its settings. In a texture section, you can open any type of the flag and texture that you design from your system. And as you can see, this application has the flags of all countries. We choose one. If you want to enter or import your design on this flag, try to have the same dimension, like this dimension. Okay, open it. In a reflection, control the reflection of the environment on the flag fabric. As you can see, if we change the reflection, you can see. And in the wind section, you can control the effect of wind on the flag. When we click on it, we enter the wind setting section, which we will teach you in a separate lesson. But there are two very simple settings. One, speed. We can control speed of the wind and the direction of wind. That's very easy. And as you can see, we have other flags here. Okay, going here, and you can insert in your scene all kind of flags. Okay. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.